Hello food lovers! Welcome to another exciting culinary adventure. Today, we're diving into a world of vibrant flavors and exotic ingredients. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a dish that's both unique and delicious. Today, we journey to Cambodia to explore the magic of Khmer Pineapple Curry. This traditional dish is a staple in Cambodian cuisine and is known for its harmonious blend of sweet, sour, and savory elements. This dish is a party of flavors. Imagine sweet pineapple, tangy tamarind, and savory coconut milk all in one bowl. It's a flavor explosion. The sweetness of the pineapple perfectly balances the tanginess of the tamarind, while the coconut milk adds a rich, creamy texture that ties everything together. Khmer Pineapple Curry is not just tasty, it's also versatile. You can customize it to suit your preferences and dietary needs. You can use chicken, tofu, or veggies. Whether you're a meat lover or a vegetarian, this curry can be adapted to include your favorite protein or vegetables. Each ingredient brings its own charm. The chicken adds a hearty, savory element, while the tofu soaks up the flavors beautifully. Fresh vegetables add a delightful crunch and a burst of color. This curry is perfect with fluffy rice. The rice acts as a wonderful base, soaking up the delicious curry sauce and enhancing the overall dining experience. Ready to cook? Let's go. Gather your ingredients, roll up your sleeves, and join us in making this delightful Khmer Pineapple Curry. It's time to bring a taste of Cambodia into your kitchen. To make this amazing curry, you need a few special ingredients. These ingredients are what will give your dish its unique and unforgettable flavor. Don't worry, they're easy to find. A quick trip to your local market or grocery store should do the trick. For the base, you'll need coconut milk, pineapple chunks, and your favorite protein. Coconut milk adds a creamy texture, while pineapple chunks bring a sweet and tangy twist. Chicken, tofu, and veggies all work great. Whether you prefer the tenderness of chicken, the versatility of tofu, or the freshness of vegetables, each option will complement the curry beautifully. Then comes the magic ginger, garlic, lemongrass, and chilies add warmth and depth. These aromatics are essential for building the complex layers of flavor that make this curry so special. Tamarind paste gives that signature tang, providing a subtle sourness that balances the richness of the coconut milk. While fish sauce adds a salty kick, this ingredient is key for adding umami, the savory taste that enhances the overall flavor profile. Finally, a sprinkle of sugar balances it all out. The sugar helps to mellow out the heat from the chilies and the tang from the tamarind, creating a harmonious blend. Remember, cooking is about having fun. Enjoy the process and don't be afraid to experiment. Feel free to adjust the spices to your liking. After all, the best part of cooking is making a dish your own. Happy cooking. Now the fun begins. We're about to embark on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and fill your kitchen with delightful aromas. Get ready to create a dish that's both delicious and satisfying. First, heat some oil in a large pot. Make sure the oil is hot enough before you proceed to the next step. This is crucial for achieving the perfect texture and flavor in your dish. Add your protein and cook until golden brown. Whether you're using chicken, tofu, or another protein, ensure it's evenly browned on all sides. This step locks in the juices and enhances the overall taste. This adds a lovely texture. The golden brown crust not only looks appealing but also provides a satisfying crunch that complements the softness of the other ingredients. Next, toss in the chopped garlic, ginger, lemongrass, and chilies. These ingredients are the heart of our dish, infusing it with a rich, aromatic base that will make your mouth water. Let them sizzle for a minute, releasing their wonderful aromas. This brief cooking time is essential to unlock the full potential of these spices, creating a fragrant foundation for our dish. Now pour in the coconut milk and pineapple chunks. The coconut milk adds a creamy richness, while the pineapple brings a sweet and tangy contrast that balances the flavors beautifully. Add the tamarind paste, fish sauce, and sugar. Let it simmer gently. These ingredients add depth and complexity, creating a harmonious blend of sweet, salty, and tangy notes. This allows the flavors to blend beautifully. Remember to stir occasionally. Stirring ensures that all the ingredients are well combined and prevents anything from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Section 4. Presenting your Cambodian feast. Once the curry has thickened, it's ready. Ladle it into bowls and get ready to enjoy. You can garnish with fresh herbs like cilantro or basil for an extra burst of flavor. Khmer Pineapple Curry is best served hot with a side of fluffy white rice. It's a match made in heaven. Section 5. Tailoring the taste substitutions and dietary options. Want to make it vegetarian? Skip the fish sauce and use soy sauce instead. For a vegan version, use tofu and coconut cream. You can also adjust the spice level by adding more or less chili. Remember, cooking is about experimenting and having fun, so get creative and make this Cambodian delight your own. Enjoy!